think another piece that there's a real that we've concentrated on, that there's a real art to, is a lot of the time the insights that the a leader is looking for. It isn't about how to how to fine tune a machine or something like that. Those things are actually are fairly well covered. It's how does a sales leader properly motivate and incentivize the sales force? How does a production line manager get the technicians to take care of the right things in the timely fashion and to defer the things that don't need to be done right now? That sort of stuff. So that's where the way I mentioned at the beginning, our kind of our three-layered approach and the integration amongst those layers is so critical, right? It's the answering the right questions with the right data and providing those answers with the right visualization and delivery, whether we're texting you every time the line goes down, or we're sending you a daily email that is formatted to pop right up on your phone with the critical stats that you need to worry about. It's that integration that is so key. And again, that's another thing that makes it so hard, because those are different specialties. A few individuals actually have experience across those areas, and few companies are good at all of those things, right? You naturally tend to specialize in one. And then we're back to original problem, which is the client company that is trying to solve problems has to then do this synthesis. It's exactly the thing that they don't know how to do either.